As you journey through life, what do you carry with you? A wardrobe for a summer abroad, the day's necessities, the books you can't live without. We trust our belongings to leather goods. They declare our sense of style and our sense of self, and should be made with nothing but the best. Welcome to Atelier. For over 160 years, this is where Louis Vuitton has revolutionized luggage and everyday essentials. It starts with an idea before the finest leathers, most meticulous methods, and surest hands transform them into a reality. This same expertise is used in all of our ateliers, including where the iconic keepall is crafted. Introduced in 1924, the keepall remains one of Louis Vuitton's most sought-after designs. As the craftsmanship is passed down through generations, little about this timeless design has changed, except for when it's completely reimagined. As connected to tradition as Louis Vuitton remains, we also constantly reinvent the possibilities. Even our most classic women's handbags are continuously seen with new eyes and infused with modern ideas. It could be new hardware, an evolved design, or a new interpretation. But each starts with leather that is cut and stitched, pressed and refined, and folded into its unique silhouette that's instantly recognizable around the world. This balance of expertise, heritage and modernity is also on display with men's leather goods. A steadfast insistence on quality, enriched with new techniques and innovation, has led to the creation of many iconic styles. Each bag is crafted to withstand the test of time, but designed with an eye towards the future. Because if there's one thing we know, it's that the art of travel will continue to evolve, and Louis Vuitton will continue to insist on innovation and perfection with every detail, design and item. Because as you journey through life, you should carry your most valued belongings with the confidence of a century and a half of unparalleled craftsmanship and the ultimate stamp of authenticity.